we are going to do a side stretch which helps the hip and the thigh muscles. For that, keep a chair to your right side, stand upright in Tadasana. Raise your right leg up and keep the heel on the chair, stretch the heel, pull the kneecap, push the root of the right thigh down, navel and chest up. Both legs straight. Keep on pulling the kneecaps and keep the right heel active. Keep the pelvis in balance. Stay for about 15 to 20 seconds. Slowly bring your right leg down, then chain. Left leg up, pull the kneecap, stretch the heel, chest and navel up. So this helps to mobilize the hip joint. It helps the muscles that enable the sideward movements. Slowly bring your left leg down. Repeat one more time. So it's very important to adjust the heights properly. Don't try to overstretch or overdo. It's very important. So that's why I start with some medium height like this. Then you can slowly graduate to improve the range of movements. Chain. You have to be careful about the orientation of the foot. The right foot should not turn sideways. So orient the foot properly. Take your left leg up, pull the kneecap, stretch the heel, chest and navel up. Hip is one of the major joints of our body which has a very high range of movements. Now bring your left leg down. Once you are comfortable with this, you can graduate to a higher level. For this, keep a blanket on top of the chair. Stand at a correct distance, chest and navel up, right leg up, place the heel on the top of the chair. This is very important. Stretch the heel, toes towards the knee, pull the kneecap, push the root of the thigh down, navel and trunk up, grip this and turn so that the pelvic rim does not turn. The pelvic rim should be maintained in balance. Both legs straight. Breathe consciously. Slowly bring the right leg down, then change. Take the left leg up, pull the kneecap, stretch the heel, chest and navel up. You must watch the hip, the thigh and the leg. Also be aware of your breathing. Slowly come down. Repeat. If you are comfortable with this, you can put one more blanket so that the height is slightly more. Raise your right leg up, stretch the heel, pull the kneecap. So these stretches will help the mobility of the hip joint. Hip is one of the very important joints. It's a ball and socket type of joint which is designed to take quite a good amount of loading, and it's very important joint which helps all our movements. So it's very important to keep this joint healthy. Now slowly bring the right leg down, change. This stretch also helps the muscles of the thigh and the leg. Incidentally, these stretches will also help the back, because the hip, the pelvis, the muscles of the thigh, they are all connected to the lower back. They all form a kinetic chain. So keeping these regions healthy and active will go a long way in protecting the spinal column. Now slowly bring your left leg down. Stand in Tadasana. Now we are going to again look at the stretch for the hamstring. Earlier we had done a simple stretch for the hamstring using the chair. You have to stand about 1.5 to 2 feet away. Keep the right leg up, then bend. Now if you have to intensify this stretch, you can go a little more back. The farther you come, the better will be the stretch. Stand upright in Tadasana. stretch your right leg. Pull the kneecap, stretch the heel. Push the root of the right thigh down. Lift the navel and chest up. Gently lean forward. Hold the chair. Look up. So this will help to intensify the stretch in the hamstring. Slowly come back, right leg down, chair, left leg up, stretch the heel, pull the kneecap. Very key features of this posture are these. It's very important. Push the root of the thigh down, lift the navel and trunk up, then bend. So this also helps the gluteal muscles. Pay attention to your breathing. Breathe consciously. Feel the muscles of the thigh, muscles of the leg, the Achilles tendon. The foot. Slowly come back. You can either repeat from here or maybe go about a foot away to further intensify the stretch. Right leg up, pull the kneecap, stretch the heel, lift the trunk and navel up, gradually lean forward. Both legs straight. Slowly come back. Chain. Pull the kneecap, stretch the heel, lean forward. Ensure to orient the foot properly. Slowly come back. Now you can also use the height of the chair to intensify the stretch plus to increase the range of movement of the hip joint. Stand in Tadasana in front of the chair. Raise your right leg up, rest the heel on the top of the chair, pull the kneecap, stretch the heel. Stand upright, both legs straight, gently lean forward, hold the top of the chair. This will help to get a better stretch, better range of movement. Slowly come back. Chain. Left leg up. Take care of the orientation of the right foot. Chest and navel up. Keep on pulling the kneecap, stretching the heel. Slowly come back. Right leg up. Lean forward. Consciously watch the hip, thigh and the leg. Breathe consciously. And chain. Left leg up. Push the thigh down, lift the navel and chest up. Slowly come back to Tadasana.